Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a really strong topic for all of us who love car detailing and car care. So many of you message me and ask, what are the most important tools for detailing? What is actually worth buying? And what really makes a difference to the final result? So in today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 must-have detailing tools. The tools that I personally consider absolutely essential if you want your car to always look like new. We'll talk about what each tool does, when to use it, and of course, I'll share some useful tips from personal experience. So, hit the like button if you enjoy this kind of content, and let's get started. Tool 1 Dual Action Polishing Machine. We'll start with the first, and probably the most important half tool, the Dual Action Polishing Machine. If you really want to correct scratches, remove swirl marks, and give your car that deep mirror-like gloss, then this tool is a must. Compared to old-style rotary machines, a dual-action polisher is much safer to use. It's ideal for beginners, enthusiasts, and even more advanced detailers. Tool 2 Microfiber Wash Mitt. Next up, the second essential detailing tool is the microfiber wash mitt. If you've been washing your car with regular sponges until now, believe me, this tool will completely change the way you wash your car. The microfiber mitt is specially designed to be extremely gentle on the paint, to hold a large amount of soapy water, and to trap dirt safely inside the fibers. This greatly reduces the risk of scratches and swirl marks. Unlike traditional sponges that keep dirt on the surface, microfibers surround and capture dust and particles, making the wash process much safer and much more effective. Tool 3 Foam Cannon. Third on the list, and definitely one of the most fun tools to use, is the foam cannon. You connect it to a pressure washer and it produces a thick, rich foam that covers the entire car. The foam cannon helps soften the dirt and minimizes scratches during the washing stage. Tool 4 High-Quality Microfiber Towels. The fourth tool is probably the most underrated one, high-quality microfiber towels. And no, they are not all the same. Good microfiber towels are soft, don't scratch the paint, absorb a lot of water, and are completely safe for the clear coat. We use them for drying the car, polishing, cleaning the interior, basically for everything. If you use low-quality towels, there's a big risk of lines and swirl marks. Tool 5 Two-Bucket Wash Method. And finally, the fifth tool, simple but absolutely essential, the two-bucket wash method. 1 bucket with soapy water, 1 bucket with clean rinse water. You rinse the wash mitt in the clean bucket, then dip it back into the soapy bucket. This prevents dirt from going back onto the paint and significantly reduces the chance of scratches. And if you also add a grit guard at the bottom, even better. A small bonus tool that's worth having is an inspection light, a detailing flashlight. With it you can clearly see swirls, holograms, tiny imperfections. It's ideal when you're polishing. And that brings us to the end of the video. These were the 5 must-have detailing tools that I believe every detailing enthusiast should own. Let me know in the comments. Which of these do you already have? Which one are you thinking of getting? If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next ones.